Hello everyone. Today I am going to analyze the performance of Shield Insurance, a pivotal player in the insurance sector. In this analysis, we will delve into its financial stability, customer satisfaction, market share, and innovative strategies that have propelled its success. Join me as we uncover the key factors contributing to Shield Insurance's remarkable performance. Before we dive into the main project, let's take a quick look at its contents. Today we will be covering introduction, project overview, data modeling, dashboard and recommendations. Let's start with the introduction. Moving on to introduction, Shield Insurance is a reliable provider of tailored insurance solutions for both individuals and businesses. Our mission revolves around safeguarding the assets and well-being of our clients through comprehensive coverage and dependable service. With a steadfast commitment to security and peace of mind, we strive to be the protective shield that our clients can rely on in times of need. At Shield Insurance, we prioritize the security and satisfaction of our clients above all else, ensuring that they have the protection they need when it matters most. Now let's take a closer look at project overview. At Shield Insurance, we operate sales offices strategically located in key cities including Delhi NCR, Indore, Chennai, Mumbai and Hyderabad. Our diverse selection of 9 policies caters to the varied needs of our consumers. These policies are accessible through both online platforms such as our website and app as well as offline channels with the support of our dedicated agents and direct services. At Shield Insurance, we prioritize accessibility and convenience, ensuring that our clients can easily find and purchase the insurance coverage they need to protect their assets and well-being. Shield Insurance offers a comprehensive range of 9 policies designed to meet the diverse needs of our clients. Each policy is carefully crafted to offer extensive coverage, ensuring that our clients are adequately protected against potential risk and uncertainties. Whether you are an individual looking to safeguard your family's future or a business owner seeking to protect your assets, our policies are designed to provide peace of mind. Our next point of discussion is data modeling. At Shield Insurance, we use a star schema model consisting of fact tables and dimension tables. This helps us analyze premium payments, claim settlements, policy performance, and customer behavior effectively, guiding our decision-making process and fostering business growth. Now let's turn our attention to dashboard for Shield Insurance. This is the initial page of our dashboard, featuring 3 primary views: general, sales and age analysis. Users can effortlessly switch between these views for comprehensive insights using the dashboard's seamless navigation system. We will now consider general view. Firstly, Delhi NCR has shown remarkable performance, leading in both revenue generation and customer acquisition with 11,007 customers and revenue of 401.6 billion. Secondly, March has proven to be our peak month, boasting the highest revenue generation of 0.26 billion and witnessing a significant influx of 7,100 new customers. Lastly, our analysis revealed that the age group of 31 to 40 years is pivotal, demonstrating the highest revenue generation and comprising the largest customer base. These insights illuminate areas of strength and opportunity for Shield Insurance, guiding our future strategies for continued success. Next, we will examine sales analysis. It has revealed that the most effective sales mode for revenue generation and customer acquisition is the offline agent mode. Despite the rise of online platforms, the offline agent mode continues to demonstrate its effectiveness in engaging and acquiring clients. Interestingly, while revenue from our online app and website experienced growth starting from February 2023, revenue from offline direct sales saw a decline. However, despite this trend, the offline agent channel remains dominant in both revenue generation and client acquisition, contributing to 55.4% and 55.7% of revenue respectively. These findings underscores the importance of the offline agent channels in our sales strategy and highlight its significant impact on Shield Insurance success. We will now consider age group analysis. March 2023 saw a significant increase in customer acquisition among the 31 to 40 age group, highlighting the appeal of our policies in this demographic. Additionally, the 31 to 40 age group emerged as our most consistent customer base, underscoring the trust and satisfaction our policies offer within this segment. Furthermore, we observe variations in the expected settlement percentage across different age groups, indicating diverse claim settlement behaviors. These insights provide invaluable guidance as we continue to refine our strategies and tailor our offering to better serve our customers' need. Now let's move on to the highlights to discuss some key strategies for driving growth and success at Shield Insurance. Firstly, targeting the 18 to 24 age group offers untapped potential for product development and tailored marketing strategies, leading to increased customer acquisition and revenue. Secondly, capitalizing on the senior market showcases our strength in serving seniors, presenting opportunities for future growth through tailored offering, exploring strategies partnership with healthcare providers, financial institutions, and other businesses can expand our reach and offer exclusive discounts, enhancing our value proposition across different age groups. Additionally, enhancing our online presence is crucial, as online sales mode currently contribute a smaller share of both customer acquisition and revenue. Leveraging digital platforms effectively can unlock growth opportunities. Lastly, investing in agent training and support is essential to strengthen performance of our offline agent sales mode, driving sales and customer satisfaction. These strategies align with our commitment to innovation and customer centricity, driving growth and success at Shield Insurance. Thank you all for being here today. Your presence is appreciated. I kindly request your feedback and suggestions to enhance future presentations.